You know, this earthquake's really taken a long time.
It really is. We should turn the news on and find out what's going on.
Good idea.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you this special report.
Well, we are here in day 2 of the earthquake. 46 hours in, and there's still no end in sight. Seismologists are stumped, geologists baffled, and astronauts were not even asked about it. We go now Holy Jesus! We go now to Stacy Lady News, who's out on the street. Stacy?
Thanks, Jim. I'm going to hold you to that. As you can see, looting has begun down here at the Fashion Center Mall, and one local dog is not too happy about it. That's Wendell, and his owners run the Huggins Family Appliance Store down here at the shopping center. They've lost over 90% of their inventory over the past 2 days. One thing's for sure, many shop owners are asking themselves, where is their super dog now?
Where indeed, Stacy. In fact, if Superdog is out there listening, I'd like to say on behalf of us all, here, boy, here. Turning now to international news. Oh, fucking shit!
Extra, extra! Local newsman suspended for cursing on air. Read all about it. His indecency trial starts today. Read about it.
Now, Mr. Jim Ladoff, would you mind telling the fine folks of this jury what was so important that you felt you had to say it on the public airwaves?
Go ahead.
Fucking shit.
Effing S. And Mr. Ladoff, why would you feel it necessary to say effing S on television?
Well, the goddamn fucking light hit me in the head.
Oh, fudgy stuff!
Well, this isn't looking good.
Extra, extra! The earthquake stopped.
It's true. It has stopped.
Hear ye, hear ye! This calls for a celebration. I declare sodas for everybody! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Fucking shit!